If you're deep into commercial real estate, you've probably heard of CoStarGroup.com. It's one of the biggest names in the industry, offering massive amounts of data on properties, tenants, leases, and market trends. Think of it as the ultimate research tool for CRE pros, whether you're buying, selling, leasing, or investing. But here's the deal. CoStar isn't cheap. We're talking hundreds, sometimes thousands, a month. And if you're just starting out or only work on small deals, it might not be worth the cost. That said, if you're a broker, investor, or agent who needs accurate, up-to-date commercial data fast, CoStar can be a game changer. It helps you find off-market deals, track competitors, and stay ahead in a tough market. So, is it worth it? If you're serious about commercial real estate and rely on data to make decisions, yes, absolutely. But if you're casual or residential focused, you'll be better off skipping it. Let me know if you use CoStar, and if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. New reviews drop every week. See you next time.